Okay, students, for class 9, this is the third video regarding linear equations in two variables. Here you will get solutions of some important and difficult sums from the exercises 4.3 and 4.4. Now from exercise 4.3, sum number 4 of 1. Let us read the question. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. Here I am solving sum number 4. The equation is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. This implies y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now let us make a solution table. Solution table x, y. We will take 3 values at least. It is the rule to take 3 values at least. So for x is equal to 0, 3 minus 2 into 0, that is 3. Now whenever x is equal to 1, so 2 into 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So y is equal to 1. Now x is equal to 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Okay. Now let us plot these points in this Cartesian frame. This is x, o, x dash, x axis, y, o, y dash, y axis. This is 1, 2, 3. Similarly, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. 0, 3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Y is equal to 3. So this point is 0, 3. Then 1, 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So this point. And then x is equal to 2, 1, 2. And y is equal to minus 1. So below minus 1. Now we'll get this point. So these are the 3 points. Let us join these 3 points through a line segment. Now this line indicates the graph 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now students, for the remaining sums, you try to draw the graph yourselves. In the same graph paper, you will draw all the graphs. Okay. Now solution of sum number 2. First let us read the question. This question is actually very important for exam purpose. Give the equations of two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? Let x plus y is equal to k be such a line. Be such a line means which passes through the point 2, 14. That is, it passes through 2, 14. So in place of x, this is actually the value of x, this is actually the value of y. So x plus y, that is 2 plus 14 is equal to k, that is k is equal to 16. Therefore, what is the line? X plus y is equal to 16 passes through 2, 14. Again, for the next line, 2 lines you have to write. Again, let 2x plus 3y is equal to k. I have taken arbitrarily, be such a line. It passes through 2, 14. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Now in this equation, let us put 2 into x 2 plus 3 into y 14 is equal to k. 2 2s are 4, 3 into 14, 42. 42 plus 4, 46. So 46 is equal to k. I mean k is equal to 46. Therefore, what is the line? 2x plus 3y is equal to 46 passes through the point 2, 14. Now question number 3. First let us read the question. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Okay. So what is the equation? 3y is equal to ax plus 7, and it passes through the points 3, 4. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Now in place of x, let us write 3, and in place of y, let us write 4. So 3 into 4 is equal to a into x means 2, x means 3, sorry, x means 3 plus 7. So what you have? 12. 4, 3, 12. It is equal to 3a. 3a. This implies 3a is equal to 12 minus 7. That is equal to 5. So we have a is equal to 5 by 3. We have 5 by 3. So this is the value of a. Therefore a is equal to 5 by 3. Okay. Now sum number 4. What is the question? The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, that is for the first 1 kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. This sum is also very important. Total distance, what? Total distance covered is x. Total fare is y. Now y is equal to, out of this x kilometer, for the first kilometer we have to pay rupees 8. So 1 into 8. Now what is the remaining distance? X minus 1. So x minus 1, what is the rate? 5 per kilometer. So into 5. What we have? Y is equal to, this is 8 and this is 5x minus 5. So 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So what we have? 8 plus 5x minus 5. It is y is equal to. Therefore y is equal to 5x. Now 8 minus 5 means 3. So y is equal to 5x plus 3. This is the linear equation in simplified form. Now what we have to do? We have to prepare a solution table. Now solution table x, y. At least 3 points to be taken. Now whenever x is equal to 0, 5 into 0, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So y is equal to 3. Whenever x is equal to minus 1, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. And whenever x is equal to 1, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 3, 8. That is y is equal to 8. So we have to plot these 3 points in the Cartesian frame. That is x o x dash, y o y dash. These are two perpendicular axes. Now let us plot the points 0, 3. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. This is. Now x is equal to minus 1. This is positive direction of x-axis. This is negative. So minus 1 this is. And minus 2. Minus 2 means below the x-axis. 1, 2. This is minus 2. So corresponding point is this. So this point is minus 1, minus 2. Next is 1, 8. So 1 and this side 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. So this point is 1, 8. This point is 0, 3. This point is minus 1, minus 2. Now let us join all the 3 points with this line. So this line refers y is equal to 5x plus 3, which is the graph of the required situation, this situation. Now sum number 6. Let us read the question. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this situation in the form of an equation in 2 variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. Okay. Let y is equal to work done and F is equal to constant force, which is 5 unit, and x is the distance traveled. Now what we know, work done is equal to force into distance. This implies y is equal to 5 into x, 5x. So this is a linear equation. We have to prepare the solution table of this one. X, y, solution table, at least 3 points to be taken. Whenever x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 into 0, 0. Whenever x is equal to 1, 5 into 1, 5. Whenever x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 into 2, 10. So let us plot the points 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 10 in the Cartesian frame. So Cartesian frame, x, o, x dash is the x-axis, y, o, y dash is the y-axis. Now first is 0, 0. So this is the origin, 0, 0. Then 1, 5. So x is 1. X is 1. This is 5. 2, 4, 6. In between 4 and 6 there is 5. So this point is 5. And another 2, 10. So 1, 2. This is along x-axis. So value of x. And y is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we get this point. Now let us join all these points through, there is a straight line is drawn through all these points. We get this straight line, and this straight line refers y is equal to 5x, this straight line. Now as we have taken this side along x-axis, the value of x means that is distance traveled. So this is the distance traveled, and this is the work done. I have written it here. This is work done. Now from the graph x is equal to 2, we need to find out whenever the distance is 2 units, what is the value of work done. Now whenever x is equal to 2, we see that along this side there is work done, y is equal to, it has value 10. So whenever x is equal to 2 units, work done is equal to 10 units. This we are getting from the graph. Next, when x is equal to 0, what we get? Y is also 0. So y is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the solution and this is the required graph. Now sum number 8. Let us read the question. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is the linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. What is the equation given? F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay, what we have to do? Draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Number 2, if the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, so to draw the graph, what I have done, at least 3 points to be taken. I have taken here the points. X is equal to, whenever C is equal to 0, what we get? F is equal to 32. That is C and F. C and F. Now whenever C is equal to 0, F is equal to 32. Whenever C is equal to 5, F is equal to 41. F is equal to 41. And whenever C is equal to 10, F is equal to 50. So 10, this is 50. Now what you have to do, draw the graph yourselves. There is every time I am doing, I have shown you how to do. Now at this time you choose x-axis, y-axis, there you plot the points 0, 32, 5, 41, 10 and 50. Okay, you will get the graph. Second, if the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? When C is equal to 30 degrees centigrade, F is equal to 9 by 5 into C means 30 plus 32. 5, 6, 30, 9, 6, 54 plus 32. 54 plus 32, that is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Number 3, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? So what you are given, F is equal to 95. See, now whenever F is equal to 95, let us write the equation in terms of F, that is C is equal to. Obviously C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. What is the value of F? 95. So 95 minus 32 whole into 5 by 9. Now 95 minus 32 is 63. 63 into 5 by 9. 9 7 is 63. 7 5 is 35. So 95 degree Fahrenheit means 35 degree centigrade. Now sum number 4. If the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? Okay, when C is equal to 0, F is equal to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So 0 plus 32 means 32 degree Fahrenheit. And whenever F is equal to, and if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in degree Celsius? So what we have in degree Celsius, C is equal to F minus 32 whole into 5 by 9. That is equal to, this is equal to, F means 0, so 0 minus 32. So minus 32 into 5 by 9. That is equal to 5 2 10 0, carry 1, 5 3 15, 116 minus 160 by 9. This will be the value in degree centigrade whenever F is equal to 0 degree Fahrenheit. Fifth question is, this value will be minus 17.8 degree Celsius. Now sum number 5. What is the fifth question? Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Yes, answer is yes. Let F is equal to X, then C is equal to X, because numerically both are equal. So X is equal to, that is F is equal to, what you were given, F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So X is equal to 9 by 5 X, because C is also X plus 32. So X minus 9X by 5 is equal to 32. There is minus 4X by 5 is equal to 32. So X is equal to 32 into 5 by minus 4. 8 4 32. So 5 8 40 minus 40. There is minus 40 degree centigrade is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. You must try to draw the graph yourselves. Now exercise 4.4. In 4.4, question number 1, this is already taught in the main video. Including this is the third video regarding linear equations. in the first video you will get the solution of this sum. So I am doing here the second sum. The sum is, give the geometric representations of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in one variable, in two variables. Now in one variable, 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. The given equation is of one variable. What is the variable? X is the variable. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 9. Therefore x is equal to minus 9 by 2. So if we are taking this as the number line, this is 0. Right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. And left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 like that. Now this is minus 9 by 2. There is minus 4.5. There is in between minus 4 and minus 5. So in between minus 4 and minus 5 is, there is 4.5. So this is 9 by 2. Now in two variables, 2x plus, there is no y, so I have taken 0 into y is equal to 9. This is equation in terms of two variables. One variable is x, another variable is y. This implies x is equal to minus 9 by 2 for every value of y. Because whatever the value you will choose for y, whenever this is multiplied by 0, it will be 0. So solution table, x is equal to minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2, and y is equal to arbitrary, let us taken 0, 1, 2 like this. Now this is the Cartesian frame. X, O, x dash is the x-axis. Similarly, y, O, y dash is the y-axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Similarly, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 like that. Now, whenever y is equal to 0, whenever y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 9 by 2. So, this is minus 9 by 2, this point. Whenever y is equal to 1, whenever y is equal to 1, what is the value of x? Minus 9 by 2. Whenever y is equal to 2, what is the value of x? Minus 9 by 2. So if we are joining all these points, we will get this straight line. So this straight line is actually 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. This refers 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. It is a line parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis. This is parallel to this. And 9 by 2 units to the left. This is to the left of origin O. To the left of origin O. So this is origin. So almost all the sums from the 4 exercises of chapter 4, linear equations in two variables, have been solved. Now rest of the sums 1, 2, 3, whatever may be the numbers left, students, you please try to solve yourselves.